So you are now 6 months
6 months.
from the open shoulder stabilization for
Right.
a shoulder dislocation to the front, as well as what we call a HAGL lesion, which was fixed in an open manner 6 months ago. How do you feel?
Feel good. Feel good.
And
Everything's functioning good.
Could you bring your arms up and show us how much you can move it up? Okay, great. So no loss of forward flexion. Come down to your side and rotate out. And it's pretty symmetrical, right? You have no loss of external rotation. Okay, now stand up and show me how you can reach behind your back. Turn around. And show me the other side. It's again symmetrical. And you can turn around. Does your shoulder feel stable?
Feel stable.
Good. You're not ready for contact sports just yet. You're only 6 months, probably looking at another 3 months before you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Any questions?
No questions.
Great. Happy with the results so far?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.